Hi, welcome to my project Bazaar. We are going to view the hostel management project. In this project is designed in a favor of the hostel management, which helps them to save the records of the students about their rooms and other things. It helps them from the manual work, which is very efficient to find the records of the student and the mess bills of the students and the information. Design the system on the request of the hostel management. Through this they can't require so efficient person to handle and calculate the things. This system automatically calculates all the bills and issued the notification for those students who are against some rules. This is the administrator module, and this is the data flow diagram for the admin. The administrator has to log in and to manage the outgoing details and medical details and manage the site, staff, student and mess menu details and allocate the room for the student and enter the cost details for vegetables and other details. This is the AO module. The AO is the administrative officer. He is maintain the hostel warden and student details and view the student all details. The AO has to log in to view the student attendance, daily expenses and main menu details. This is the warden module. The warden is to monitor the daily activities of the student, allocate the room for the hostel students, put a daily attendance for the students. This is the data flow diagram for the warden. The warden to log in to view the student and mess menu details and put a student attendance. This is the hostel management system index page. This is the home page for the hostel management. The latest news is to be viewed in a sidebar. Click Contact Us to view the Contact Us page. In this, the Contact Us details to be displayed. Click Login to view the online hostel management login panel. The admin has to enter the admin username and password. Click Login button to view the admin login panel. In that the admin has to view the profile details, then total number of students to be present details. Click Site Management and select Features to view the feature page details. In the description to be present. Click Update to update the details. Click Delete to remove the details. Click Add Features Details to add the feature details. Click About Us. In the front side of the About Us content to be displayed in this page. Click to update these details. Click Latest News to add the latest news. The details to be viewed in the front page of the sidebar. Click Update to update the details. Click Delete to remove the details. Click Add News to add the news for the front page. Click Contact Us page to add the Contact Us details. Click to update these details. Click Staff Details and select Add Staff Details to add the staff details. In that the number of staffs to be added. Fill all the information and click Submit button to add the staff details. Click View Staff Details to view the staff details. In that the staff details to be viewed. Click Update to update the staff details. Click Delete to remove the staff details. Click Student Details and select Add Student Details. In that fill all the information and click Submit button to add the new student details. Click View Student Details to view the added student details. In that the number of students to be viewed by batch wise. Click Update to update the details. Click Remove to delete the details. Click Room Allocate and select Add Room Allocate button to add the room allocate for staff and student. For staff, we choosing the staff name and then select the room and the room number. Click Submit button and allocate the room for the student. Click View Room Details to view the room details. Enter the number of room to be viewed. Click Daily Entry and select Vegetable Entry. First select the date and select the vegetables in kg. Click Submit button to add the vegetables details. Click View Vegetables Details. The date of purchase details to be viewed. Click Daily Entry and select Other Charges, and then select Date and fill all the details. To click Submit to add the details. Click Submit to add the other details. Click Other Expenses to view the other expenses details in a daily wise. Click View button to view the expenses details. Click Mess Menu to view the mess menu details. In that, the number of breakfast, lunch and then evening snacks, dinner details to be present. Click Update to update the details. Click Medical Details and select Outgoing Student Details. In that, the select student name and year, outgoing, in-time, out-time details to be present. Click Medical Details and select View Outgoing Details to view the student activities details. Click Logout to log out the page. For AO login, enter the AO username and password. Click Login button to view the Administrative Officer login panel. In that, click Update to update the profile. Click Change Password to change the password. Click Logout to log out the page. Click Student Details to view the hostel student details. Click View to view the profile. Click Student Attendance and select Today Attendance. If there is no attendance to be present today, then it shows the error. Click Student Attendance and select Today Attendance. Put the Today Attendance for the student. Click Expense Details and select Vegetable Expenses. Click View to view the expenses details, the vegetables and then amount for the vegetables to be present. Click Other Expenses to view the other expenses details. Click Fees Amount to view the number of student fees details. Click Mess Menu to monitor the breakfast, lunch, evening, dinner by weekly report. Click Logout to log out the page. For the Warden login, enter the Warden username and password. Click Login button to view the Warden login panel. Click Update to update the profile. Click Change Password button to change the password. Click Student Details to view the student details. Click Student Attendance and click Today Attendance. If the attendance for today is to be present, then it shows the today attendance has to be updated. Click Student Attendance and view the student attendance by searching the date. Click Mess Menu to view the mess menu details. Click Logout to log out the page. Thank you for watching this video.